Who is the greater of the... So Wahanui, without any preliminaries, asked the Whiti, ko wai te mea nui o te kingi rāua ko te poropiti. Who is the greater of the two, the king or the prophet? In his Aotea dialect, the Whiti answered and said, ko te kingi no, which translated goes, indeed it would be the king. Pointing to the flags, Wahanui then said, te kuaiho tō kara, te kara o te poropiti. Then lower the flag of the prophet. This was done, and shortly afterwards the king's party moved on to the marae. During the king's stay in Parihaka, talks were held and an understanding was arrived at for the king to maintain contact with the Parihaka leaders. When the time came for the king to return to Te Kuiti, he had decided to stop at Te Kuiti on his return, he addressed the Whiti and Tohu in a leave-taking speech. This is how it goes in Maori. E whiti e tohu takoto rapua te mea ngaro. Hoki ake nei au kei tā rāwiri, he roimata tāku kai i te pō i te ao. And in English goes something like this. O whiti, o tohu, rest a while, then seek that which is lost. As I now depart, in the words of David, I shall shed tears through the night until the dawn. Now, when I saw him quoting David as saying this, I thought, what does the Bible, how does the Bible quote David, or how did David express himself in the Psalms? So, this biblical language used by Taawhiao has often intrigued me, and it can be an interesting study. In this Parihaka speech, Taawhiao, in quoting David, actually gives a composite rendering from Psalms chapter 6, verse 6. I have notes here of the text from the Psalms, and if the seminar is curious to compare these quotations from what the king said, through the light he would shed his tears till the dawn. The psalm has it, all the night make I my bed to swim. I water my couch with my tears. Quite different but it's questionable which is the better. I think there's a lot to be said about the king putting words into David's mouth as all through the night until the dawn I shall shed my tears. To compare that with I water my couch with my tears, I think the King Taawhiao made a better job of it. On his return,